Hello! I am back with another bubble video because I just love making these videos so much, and today I really wanted to make an updated tutorial on how to paint heart-shaped bubbles. So first, as usual, I'm just painting the entire canvas black, and on some of my previous videos I got the question how I get a smooth and even finish on the canvas with this step. And honestly, it's really simple. I just make sure that the whole area is covered in paint first, like I'm doing right here, like just cover it completely in black. And then I just keep doing these like back and forth strokes over and over and over again until there are no visible brush strokes left and it is completely smooth. And when we are satisfied with our background, we're just gonna let that dry before we continue with the next step. To create these bubbles, you're gonna need an object that is heart-shaped. I have this cookie cutter that works perfectly fine, so whatever you have that is in the shape of a heart, you can use that. So we're just gonna take this and we're gonna put white paint on one side of it, and then just pressing it onto the canvas. I also had some light green paint left over from yesterday that I am adding to this. You don't need to do that, just the white paint is fine, I just didn't want to waste it. And then you're gonna take a smaller circular object. I am using a cap from a perfume bottle, and we're just gonna do the same thing and place them wherever you would like on the canvas. And now we're taking an even smaller circular object. I am using a tiny skincare bottle cap, and again we're gonna repeat the same thing. Up next, we're gonna be adding the colored edges to the bubbles, starting with purple. I am using a thin brush for this, and I am just placing this color on opposite sides of each bubble. Now we're just going to do the same thing with pink, turquoise, and peach. This step doesn't need to be perfect, by the way, so don't worry about that. Just place the colors wherever and don't think about it too much. It's all going to come together in the end. For the next step, we're going to take white paint and a little bit of a bigger brush and a little bit of a wider brush. And you're basically just going to do the same thing again to create the reflections in the bubbles. Since these are heart-shaped bubbles, I am painting an extra reflection on the right side of the hearts. And when you're done with this, there's only the finishing touches left. I am adding dots to all of the bubbles, and again, this doesn't need to be perfect. Dot as much as you like and wherever you like until you are satisfied. And then to finish everything off, I am putting some tiny stars in the big bubbles. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye!